Hey guys, so let's start uh, our lessons, our lesson of pronunciation in Portuguese. So, like English, for who knows, English is really nice. Learn Portuguese because like English and Portuguese, both languages and have like different sounds, like I realized that in Spanish is uh depend of the country, but like most countries like you speak like a robot, like just some the same tune, da 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 da. But but in English and in Portuguese we speak like oh, oh, there's a lot and a lot of sounds, and that's a good advantage that people that know English. It's a good advantage to learn Portuguese because this different sounds, you know. So uh, and but Portuguese like Spanish and another romantic language, like it's good, it's more easy than English to learn pronunciation. I'll tell you why. Because those romantic language, have like a standard, you know. I'll tell you, like, for example, Portuguese, we have this. We learn this when kids learn this Portuguese this way. For example, we have this standards and standard. So B plus A ba. So B plus A, sorry, B plus E B. B plus I. Uh, I'm sorry, it's a mess. I was speaking according to the sounds in Portuguese. Sorry. Please, B plus A ba. B plus E B. B plus I B. B plus O bo. B plus U boo. And so this sounds I told you right now, like never change, like in English. uh for example, a word called, well, like bank. Okay, ang, bang, bank, ang. Okay, but if you write like another word with B plus A, could be like um well, like bu- okay, back, you know, like it's a different sound, like, so to learn, so who knows English, like it's a lot and a lot of like sounds, like each word has their own sound, but in Portuguese, no. Portuguese is a standard. If you learn like you learn like this, B plus A ba, okay, is ba for whatever the language, whatever the word. This is really nice. It's more easy than to learn to for pronunciation, you know. Uh, so let's check each word in our Portuguese reading pronunciation. Okay, so I wrote some words, I think, for to like sounds similar. So B, for example, B is like as in English, the b b bank, balance, you know. So like as in English. C, Like this, okay, this kind of C is like C of a cat. K, k, cat. K, k. Okay. So, like, let's do some examples. A name of woman, Katarina. Katarina. Ka, ka. Look, ka, ka. Katarina. hmm Another word. Okay. This is castle in Portuguese. Castelo. Ca, ca, ca. Castelo. Okay. So we have this ca as a cat. So this C plus E is C. Pardon me. C. So like receive, C. Receive. We have some words to compare, like cebola, the onion. So C, okay, cebola, onion. Another word. I check there's a newspaper, like a famous newspaper in Brazil called Folha de São Paulo. So let's check there some words, more examples for C plus B. Okay, just a minute. Oh, on. Oh, okay. I remember one word here, like center. We call centro. So can you realize, like, the sounds never change? It's a standard. Cebola. Look, C, centro, C, never change. Okay, so if you know the pronunciations, like C plus B, sorry, C plus E, C, it's C forever. So let's go to the next word. Oops. Next word. Okay. C plus I is C. Okay. C. Like there, like for example, there's a name for a girl, like Cynthia. Sing, C. Okay. Like receive. Okay. Belt in Portuguese is cinta. C. Can you see? It's a standard, never change the sound. So talking about this, C. Okay, this C plus O, co, like co as a cat. The k k. It's the same reasoning for C plus A, like k, k, ka, and this ko. Mm. For example, cooperation in Portuguese, cooperação. See, co. Uh, Another example is okay, like back, our back, as costa. It's a this is a accent. Sometimes people call costa, but it not like the standard co. You know, like costume. We can in Portuguese costume. Co. So it's like C as a cat, and the last one C U cu, like uh okay, course in Portuguese is curso. Cu, curso. Like cost, we call custo. Cu, never change the sounds. Okay, it's a standard. Let me check the hour. So okay, let's stop here and let's train, okay, because repetition is really important, because if you repeat like ba be bi bo bu, ka se si ko ku, and this sa se si so su, if you repeat that, you can it the sounds will be real, like automatic in your brain. Okay, so the next video we can I will give to you guys exercises for those words, those letters. Okay, so see you then.